Hey everybody, video number 8. Today we're going to see the difference between empirical formulas and molecular formulas. Molecular formulas are those real world examples. Empiricals are just the reduced version. Okay, so the empirical formula is the simplest form of the molecule, reduced. The components can't be further reduced because I get to one of the subscripts is basically an odd number. So, like you see OH there under empirical formula. If I multiplied that all by 2, I'd get H2O2. And C2H5, if I multiply that by 2, I get the C4H10. So, the molecular formula is this real world molecule, and it's some multiple of the empirical formula. Okay, that's all there really is to it. So all we're going to do is convert. So we're just going to divide by the greatest common factor of these subscripts. We're going to reduce it down into its simplest form. It's going to be fast. We're going to go quick, and this video will be done. Okay, so molecular formula. Here's an example: C6H12O6. To get to its empirical formula, I would divide all 6 of those numbers, not by 2, or all 3 of those numbers, because 2 would give me 3 and 6, and I can reduce 3 and 6 further. I can multiply or divide each of those numbers by 6. If I divide them each by 6, I get 1, 2, 1. I can no longer reduce 1, 2, 1, so that is the empirical formula. Glucose is 6 of those. Sucrose is, I think, 12 of those. Okay? And then sugar is always all sugars are some version of that. There's a 5 and a 4 and a 3. Okay? C4H8, I can divide both of those numbers by 4. If I divide it by 2, I would have to keep going. So I can divide by 4, greatest common factor, and I get 1 and 2. One more example, and I think we're donezo. C8H18, if I divide both of those by 2 is the most I can go, I get 4 and 9. So that 9 is that odd number is going to stop me from moving with an even number, and that's as much as I can reduce it. So that is the empirical formula of that molecular formula. So all we're going to do is reduce the formulas down, and you need to know more than anything that it's a vocab piece. Empirical is the reduced form. You got to know it. We're done. Yeah.